Peeps, you should be able to see that. The movement was caused because these screws came undone through vibration by the looks of it, because they were down tight and the whole thing just wobbles around. Never mind, it's proves the concept, so I think it's time to make something better. I'll carry on taking this down now that I've found out exactly what it is. Definitely a design fault, and then I'll bring you back when I've decided how big a system I'm going to have again. I'm definitely going to get rid of the gears and have the stepper motor directly coupled to the threaded rod. It will still be a threaded rod. I shall still be using quite a lot of what I've got here, just not in this configuration. Alright, I'll strip all this down and then I'll bring you back when I've decided how big and how I'm going to go about it. That'll probably take probably about 5 cups of tea, or mugs of tea. You can tell I like tea, can't you? Well, this was a Christmas present from my friend Denise. Some people make the world more special just by being in it, and I thought that was amazing. Just shows you what friendship can really be, doesn't it? Wonderful. Okay peeps, I'll let you go and I'll come back to you after I've figured out how I'm going to rebuild this. Okay? Right peeps, there's the first part of the Z-axis. This is what the original one was bolted to. As you can see, I've modified the X-axis, made it more stable. The only issue I've got at the moment with the X-axis is the drive is so far away from the X-axis board that it's got play in it. So what I intend to do, I think I will, while I've got the Z-axis dysfunctional, I'll move the X-axis up here onto this cross member so that I can drive it closer to the Z-axis and stop this wobbliness, and hopefully I'll have a much more accurate CNC. Put the stepper motors in place for the X-axis. I may get some bar connector clamps to fit the 2 rails on. I may fabricate something. I haven't got that far yet. I'm not certain. But initially there's going to be 2 bars, sliding bars down there, and I'm going to be using this board as the Dremel attachment board, and then that will slide up and down on the rail. So it's going to be out here somewhere. That should be alright. If I find that it's too far this way, what I will do is I'll take the bracket here and move it behind the board so that the drive mechanism is closer to the board, and this is that much further back. In fact, I probably will do that because it's going to make my life a lot easier. But before I do that, I'm going to wait and see what I come up with for the two slide rails. Don't know. I know I'll be using printer slide bar, which I've got around here somewhere. Hang on. There's the printer slide bar, and I've got another printer underneath the tripod that the camera's on, which I can strip down, and hopefully it'll have one this diameter in there, so I'll have the two slide bars to go up and down. I'll just cut them. I may even just leave them like that, so that they're fixed at the bottom, probably there, and fixed at the top, and I shan't bother cutting it off. And then that will give me my slide. I'm going to use the same threaded bar that I had originally, just a shorter piece, simply because these couplings fit it nicely. So we'll do it something like that.